Hey guys, welcome back to DIY Your Metal Building, where I give you tips and tricks on how to solve problems when you're putting a building together yourself. One of the big questions I get is, what do I do if my anchor bolts are a little bit off? How can I fix that? Should I modify the base plate? If your anchor bolts are way off, you should consider epoxying or wedge anchoring. Most building departments require it to be epoxied, and you probably would have a special inspector to have to come out and verify that you got the depth correct and got the holes cleaned and used the proper epoxy. That being said, what I'm going to show you is for the minor ones that are just a little bit off. Simple corrections you can do out there in the field that will work just as well. So if you look up here, you'll see this is a pattern of anchor bolts. Typical, like 4-inch by 4-inch square pattern. Okay, so let's say that one of your anchor bolts a little bit off, like on this detail right here. Okay, so you can either cut the base plate, elongate the base plate so that it matches it. And in some cases, the inspectors will make you put on what they call a weld washer, which you put a washer that covers up the big hole that you made in the base plate. And lots of times they may even want you to actually weld it on there. Or you can do this other method where you actually go alongside it, drill a hole with a roto hammer, approximately the same size as the anchor bolt itself along the side. And don't worry if it's beyond the amount that you need to bend it. This allows you room so that you can, what I call, hickey it over, which I don't even know where that saying came from, but you could slip a pipe over the top of it and just bend the whole bolt over. What I recommend is once you get the bolt bent over, that you put a wedge down in the hole and bend it back. Or you can also put a nut on the bolt and put a wedge in behind it and hit it with a sledgehammer so that you don't mess up the threads. Make sure you have a nut on there. And you basically straighten it back out and move it over to the location it needs to be. Then you go back and grout, clean the hole out and grout around the bolt so that it's just like normal. And then you stand your columns and voila, you're fixed and you're up and running. And remember, you can always message me, and if you need specific help on a particular job, I'm in Southern California, but if you're in our area, I'll come out and take a look, no problem. Maybe we can even help you. So, all right, we'll see you on the next one, and keep on working on your metal building. See ya.